Hey guys, I made Jeffy into a freaking motorcycle thing made out of tape. Yeah, and I used this. Yeah, and yeah, I think most of you must have missed the Nut Jeffy without tape. I used tape. Even he has hair in his back. Look at that, and he has a dick head. A helmet. Yeah. He's not called Jeffy. He is called Black Robert. Yeah, I always call him Jeffy, but I keep mistaking him of Jeffy because I watch too many Jeffy videos. But I want to call him Robert, but I always call him Jeffy. You are dumb guy, okay? You are dumb guy, okay? Shut up, Jeffy. Yeah, guys, so here you have it. Most of you might like to know Jeffy. Now you can see his band-aid. It's right here, or right here, on top. Or here. Yeah, his band-aid is inside this tape. I kind of hate this part, but I stopped to do it because this take me like an hour or something. Yeah, boy. Man, doing this, die. I mean, let's do this, die. It's easy. He's on stores right now. Just kidding. You could get this doll at Knott's Berry Farm. You could win it. You could win this stuffed animal or stuffed person at Knott's Berry Farm. You could win it. You just need to kick a ball or something and hit it to the guy 5 times, and there you have this guy. Or if you kick it 5 times, you get a big ass teddy bear. And yeah, that's it, guys. Today, I'm leaving to another house. I'm not gonna be staying in this house. I'm moving to another house. Well, my mom's house. This is my grandma's house. Yeah, boy. See a better view of this. I need to go. Perfect. If you like the bubbles, they're all around here. The bubbles, popping them up. Woo! Okay, here is Jeffy, guys. Jeffy. Guys, here's Jeffy. And yeah, guys, here is Jeffy. Here's some sad music for Jeffy. That songs make me cry, Ching. Turn that off, please. It actually makes me the another Jeffy. His head is solid of tape, boys. Like 1,000 layers of tape.